Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the Find My Phone feature on your Casio G-Shock GWB-5600 watch. The one I've got here is the Charles Darwin Finch model. It's module 3540, so it'll work for any of the 3540 watches. One thing I need to say is you have to have gone through the initial Bluetooth connection. You have to have already made an established connection to your cell phone in order for this feature to work. So what we're going to do is you got to be in your timekeeping mode, and you want to look up top. You can't be in the connected status. So you don't want to see CNCT up here. You want to see something like your date, which shows that you are not currently in connection mode. All we're going to do is we're going to press and hold the bottom right button on the watch. Now you're going to want to hold it for 5 seconds. The reason I say that is after a couple of seconds, it'll start doing a time reception. You want to hold it through that until you see find, and that's when it's going to find your phone. You've got a couple different sound options you can have on your phone that you can set in your Casio Watches app. You can see that it has found my phone. At any point you can press any button to basically stop the noise and let the watch know that you found your phone. It can stop doing the transmission. Pretty simple stuff. I know a lot of people aren't into smart features, especially with the G-Shock, but this is one of the features that I find to be pretty handy on this model. I hope the video helped.